Introduction. Welcome to this instructional session. In this video, we're focusing on a compact but essential laboratory tool, the Vortex Mixer. Designed for rapid and efficient liquid mixing, this device supports countless lab applications, from reagent blending to suspension preparation. Let's take a guided walk through how to unpack it, set it up, operate it correctly, and keep it running safely. What we will cover. In this session, we'll explore what a Vortex Mixer is and how it works. Unpacking and installation steps, operating modes and controls, ideal working conditions, safety practices, troubleshooting, disposal guidance. Let's start by understanding the purpose of this instrument. What the Vortex Mixer does. A Vortex Mixer creates a swirling motion that rapidly blends liquids inside test tubes or small vials. When the tube is pressed onto the mixing head, the circular movement forms a quick vortex, ensuring uniform mixing in seconds. This tool is widely used in chemistry and life science labs, especially for sample preparation, reagent mixing, and emulsification. It is intended strictly for laboratory environments, not for residential use. Unpacking the instrument. When unboxing your Vortex Mixer, follow these steps for a safe start. Inspect the outer packaging for damage. Lift the device carefully. Use a clean and well-lit area for setup. Remove all protective materials. Check the instrument for visible damage. Confirm that accessories like the power cable and standard head are included. Read the user manual before operating. Keep the packaging for future transport. Report missing or damaged items immediately. Once verified, you're ready for installation. Installation process. Setting up your Vortex Mixer is simple and crucial for proper performance. Choose a stable, level surface with proper ventilation. Ensure all components are properly attached. Connect the power cable. Confirm the voltage compatibility. Turn on the mixer and test the speed controls. Listen for unusual sounds or vibrations. Follow all safety and ideal condition guidelines during installation. How to operate the Vortex Mixer. The device can be used in two main modes. Let's go through each one. A continuous operation mode. Place the mixer on a firm surface. Ensure the speed knob is set to 0. Switch to the on position, the indicator light will illuminate. Rotate the speed knob to the desired level. When mixing is complete, switch to off. B touch, inching, operation mode. Set the speed knob to 0. Switch to touch mode. Adjust the speed to the required level. Press the test tube down vertically on the mixing head to activate motion. Release to stop the mixing operation. See digital mode with touch buttons. The mixer includes several digital touch functions. Power button turns the mixer on or off. Mode button, choose between manual or automatic modes. Speed up, down, adjust between low and high RPM. Time up, down, set mixing duration. Start, stop, begin or end a time cycle. Ideal working conditions. For long service life and reliable performance, keep the mixer in a ventilated, dry, fireproof location. Avoid explosive or hazardous environments. Use only on non-slip surfaces. Ensure zero vibrations during operation. No warm-up time is needed, the device is ready immediately. Following these conditions supports consistent mixing performance. Safety precautions. To ensure safe operation, read the full manual before use. Always use a grounded outlet. Inspect the power cable regularly. Avoid overloading the mixer. Ensure tubes are properly centered and secured. Work in a ventilated area when handling volatile chemicals. Respect recommended speed limits. Unplug when not in use. Practicing good safety keeps both user and instrument protected. Troubleshooting guide. If issues arise, here are common causes and solutions. No power. Check outlet, cable, and plug connection. Unusual noise or vibration. Ensure the tube is centered. Inspect for loose parts. Poor mixing. Check tube placement. Adjust speed. Verify sample viscosity. Overheating. Allow rest. Check ambient temperature. Improve ventilation. Speed inconsistencies. Clean control panel. Restart the device. If issues persist, contact technical support with details of the problem and steps already attempted. Disposal guidance. Dispose of the mixer responsibly. Follow local e-waste regulations. Use authorized recycling centers. Separate batteries and electronic components before disposal. Protect the environment by avoiding household waste streams. For disposal assistance, contact your supplier. This concludes the complete operating guide for the Vortex mixer. With proper setup, operation, and maintenance, this instrument will deliver fast, reliable mixing performance for a wide range of laboratory applications. Thank you for watching. Dinesh Scientific, precision you can trust. For more details, contact us today.